In this video, we will point out the various components of the control valve. The front face of the control valve contains the display screen and the 4 keypad buttons used for programming the system. This is the inlet side view of the control valve, where raw water enters the valve as indicated by the directional arrow. This is the side view of the power head and the power connector. This area is known as the valve body that houses all the internal components. This is where the injector set and screen will be found behind this injector cover. However, you'll never need to access these components as they are not used for the functionality of a filter valve. This is the meter cable that measures the flow of water passing through the system. Please note that a filter valve does not utilize this meter cable as it does not measure water flow. Instead, the filter valve is programmed to regenerate based on the number of days that have passed rather than the volume of water used. This is the brine line elbow, which contains the brine line flow control. Since this is a filter valve, a plug is placed into the end of the elbow as shown here. You will not need to access the internal components of the elbow as it is not used for the functionality of this filter valve. This is one of the secure clips that keeps the valve body attached to the bypass valve. There's another clip on the other side of the control valve as well. This is the inlet side bypass valve knob that is currently in the closed position. This is a plug and secure clip that generally should not be removed. If necessary, it could be removed to help obtain a raw water sample. This is the back side of the control valve showing the power head backplate. There are 4 screws that keep the front display cover in place. This is where you'll find the control valve's serial number label, and your system's model number and serial number label will also be found on the back side of the power head. This is the drain line elbow, which contains the drain line flow control. This is the outlet treated water and inlet raw water plumbing connections to the system and the secure clips that will keep the plumbing adapters in place. And this is another angle of the power cable connection for the power transformer. This is the outlet treated water side view of the control valve. The water flows out of the control valve from this side as shown by the arrow. This is another side view of the power head. This is another angle of the drain line elbow, which contains the drain line flow control. This is the other secure clip that keeps the valve body attached to the bypass valve. This is the outlet side bypass valve knob that is currently in the closed position. This is the other plug-in clip that generally should not be removed, but if necessary, could be removed to help obtain a treated water sample. And here we have arrived back to the front face of the control valve, and we've now seen all of the external control valve components.
Visit us at www.canaturewg.com.